Right, so it's meal time tonight. So we've got our HelloFresh as usual. We've just got a 3 meal deal this time because we're going out for Sunday lunch tomorrow with Karen's sister. So that's what we're having tonight. Herbie burger and wedges with chimichurri tomato salad. So I'm just preparing everything. Let's say you get all your little bits. You can get garlic. Only that comes in a garlic, that's just a clove, but you get a full garlic. Tomatoes, I'm just cutting up the wedges now, ready to go. So that's everything prepared, burgers all mixed, wedges all chopped and seasoned, and the tomato salad. So there we are, burger, chips and tomato salad. One empty plate. That was one of the best burgers, especially it's homemade as well. I'll wash down with a nice beer.